P21 nav check. When Houston sends you a state vector update, every once in a while you get a nav check, as well as before or after a burn. To do this nav check, verb 37, enter, program 21, enter. The default option here is for the CSM. If you change row 2 to number 2, it should be for the LEM, but I'm not entirely sure. So just hit proceed here. And now key in verb 25, enter, and enter the time of the nav check. So for us, it's 35 hours, 15 minutes, and 0.80 seconds. Proceed. And now the computer will spit out for you your latitude, longitude over 2, and altitude. And if all is well, minus 31.37, minus 62.84, and plus 163.0. This is perfect. And that is all. If it's ever off, it's recommended that you're probably going to have to do a state vector update or some program 22 to fix up your orbital navigation state vectors. Otherwise, this just means you're above this latitude and longitude at this altitude at that time, and if that's not the case, then some P22s will be required for you, and we'll cover those in a future video. Thank you.